United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 47, Archipelagic Baselines, 1. An archipelagic state may draw straight archipelagic baselines, joining the outermost points of the outermost islands and drying reefs of the archipelago, provided that within such baselines are included the main islands and an area in which the ratio of the area of the water to the area of the land, including atolls, is between 1:1 and 9:1. 2. The length of such baselines shall not exceed 100 nautical miles, except that up to 3% of the total number of baselines enclosing any archipelago may exceed that length, up to a maximum length of 125 nautical miles. 3. The drawing of such baselines shall not depart to any appreciable extent from the general configuration of the archipelago. 4. Such baselines shall not be drawn to and from low tide elevations, unless lighthouses or similar installations, which are permanently above sea level, have been built on them, or where a low tide elevation is situated wholly or partly at a distance not exceeding the breadth of the territorial sea from the nearest island. 5. The system of such baselines shall not be applied by an archipelagic state in such a manner as to cut off from the high seas, or the exclusive economic zone, the territorial sea of another state. 6. If a part of the archipelagic waters of an archipelagic state lies between two parts of an immediately adjacent neighboring state, existing rights, and all other legitimate interests, which the latter state has traditionally exercised in such waters, and all rights stipulated by agreement between those states shall continue and be respected. 7. For the purpose of computing the ratio of water to land under paragraph L, land areas may include waters lying within the fringing reefs of islands and atolls, including that part of a steep-sided oceanic plateau, which is enclosed or nearly enclosed by a chain of limestone islands and drying reefs lying on the perimeter of the plateau. 8. The baselines drawn in accordance with this article shall be shown on charts of a scale or scales adequate for ascertaining their position. Alternatively, lists of geographical coordinates of points, specifying the geodetic datum, may be substituted. 9. The archipelagic state shall give due publicity to such charts, or lists of geographical coordinates, and shall deposit a copy of each such chart, or list with the Secretary-General of the United Nations,